you mentioned vitality and shotguns. This one's maybe not so controversial, although it is 11-0, so maybe it's really getting desperate here. For Envious, Fugly the shotgun towards B. I mean, it makes sense in practicality, but in retaking that A side, once those smokes fade, I couldn't really think of a worse weapon. Well, yeah. Good, but I mean, you know, in terms of what you would actually buy, right?
Yeah, it's not fantastic, and 12-0, you get what you can. I think that's the sort of mentality.
I think it's freelancer, right?
Yeah,
freelancer.
You take what you can
get. Literally take what you can get. Oh dear. What's that? Never heard of that game before. Yeah, go on then. Round 13, 12-0 here for Liquid. Once again, no issues so far from Liquid. The only close round we've really seen was a 5 versus 3, which went in their favour. We saw a 1 versus 3 from Nafly earlier on, but apart from that, it's been smooth sailing.
Yeah, and even the 1v3, it looked like he made it quite easy. That's the scariest thing about it. Elige this time, though, will go down, but already Twist on the other side. He's been unstoppable. A 20 KD currently. And he's going pushing as well. It's not like he's playing passively. Right through the smoke he goes. Som is on the other side, and while that KD's just been halved. And maybe the transfer around is on the board as it's already going to pick off another. Still 3 mighty members of this squad to remove, and they've spotted out Sonic as well. The aggression is going to be punished and leave things back into a 3v3 once more.
3 versus 3. Minute left on the clock here in the 13th round. It's going to be Som alone towards the A site from Envious. Apart from that, Fugly and Nifty combined together here at B. Haven't seen too many set smokes or set molotovs or grenades at all towards either sides from Liquid. But now in this scenario, they are going to start to show us what strategies they have in the book. Nitro knows exactly where one of the players is inside that smoke, catches out Nifty, quick trade there coming out from 2 of the players, Stewie and Nifty, and now 2 versus 1, it's all down to Som.
Yeah, he's got the AK in hand. If he can pick off Stewie, there's an opportunity for him here, but he needs to get this pick, and Stewie's just not going to give him the time of day. I've got fed up of reading out the scoreline. Like, you viewers at home, you can all read it for yourself. You know what it says. And I'm sure there's many people currently jinxing.
You read any other languages?
No. Can you?
You live in Ukraine, Tom.
I do.
What is 13 in Russian?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, I have a girlfriend who's fantastic and can translate. Without her, I would probably be dead.
So, 13-0, or any other languages you want to translate that into. Was it Dreisen, Null, 13-0 essentially, if it's in German. My German isn't too good as it used to be. Either way though, in terms of the buy coming out from Envious, 2 Thanasis, 3 M4s, 1 Diffuse Kit there for Fugly. But apart from that, pretty bare bones in terms of utility. 2 smokes and 3 flashbangs, no molotovs for the retake. Those flashes could be gone as well by the time the smokes fade if there was an execution from Liquid. Either or, it's not looking too good from the side in blue.
Flashbang went out, but really much of a face taken. Stewie, well, knowing where his opponents are going to be, but hasn't managed to capitalise just yet. But Naf has caught, again, the aggression of Sonic. He's trying to find some openings. That's disgusting. Som is just gone, and Andrew is going to go for the re-peek, and he does actually manage to take down the man who's been decimating them. Unfortunately, there's still a few more to go. Trying to get aggressive around the back, but Stewie's spiked it out straight away, finds that trade back, and now it's left all onto Fugly. At least gets 1 from above, but they know exactly where he is. The 1v2 needing to come in. 4 kills total. Stewie spotted getting a little bit aggressive.
Jump off and try no-scope him. Let's see then. Awkward and awful situation now for Fugly to be in. The retake towards the A site, up towards the ramp. He's got a player behind him, player in front of him, sandwiched in between Liquid players. 14-0. This could be the perfect game coming out from Liquid. Just after